You wouldn't take a drink out of a hose like this, would you? Well, drinking from campground and RV park water faucets just like this could be just as disgusting and dangerous to your health. I'm Tom with EnjoyTheJourney.Life. I was shocked by this. Take a look at this map of the US. This is all of the contaminated water, and it's getting worse. Whether it's floods, wildfires, drought, aging infrastructure, hurricanes, it's all contributing to contaminating our water. 19.5 million US residents get sick from contaminated water every single year. Take a look at these recent reports of contaminated water found in campgrounds. And this is just in the last few years. Scientists estimate that over 200 million Americans, that's over half of us, have contaminated tap water. Yet 71% of Americans drink water directly from the tap. I can't believe that. Some RV park and campground water isn't even clear. This is not an exaggeration. It'll smell bad and even taste bad. Yes, we have seen water this color and even darker. But your water could actually look like this. Crystal clear, and you might think, oh, well, that's safe to drink, but you cannot see all of the dissolved contaminants in here. Now, Cheri and I have been using the Berkey back there for years for our drinking water, but that doesn't take care of brushing our teeth, the water we put in our mouth, and even showering. And I just found out that stuff like chlorine and fluoride that's in tap water can lead to hair loss. Why didn't I know that? Oh my gosh, that's the problem here. I thought it was stress. So why take chances with your health and campground or RV park water thinking, well, this is probably safe, it looks good. That's like playing Russian roulette. We should have done this years ago. Cheri and I have been looking for a solution to this for quite a while. And a lot of the solutions out there, they're big and bulky. And as we've shared before, we don't have the space in our RV to add more stuff to storage. So we need something that's just quick, small, and easy to set up. And we found a solution. This is the Blu Tech R3 water filtration system. It is portable, light, and small. Take a look at it, but it's not flimsy. These canisters are made of stainless steel. The connections here are made of stainless steel, and it's safe to leave outside. Well, locked up outside. It's RV sized, weighing only 13 pounds, and it's like half the size and less than half the weight of the other competitive water filtration systems out there. And it's a 3-stage system with long-lasting filters, lasting as long as 4 months. And it comes with these quick connects, so you can just connect these to your water hose and leave them connected, and then simply connect on that easily. Can't wait to start using this. I am also excited to try out the Blu Tech RX, which is made for boondockers. And what they've actually done is attached a water pump, 12-volt water pump, that you can just throw a line into a water source like a river or a lake, and you can get endless filtered water. How cool is that? I can't wait to try that out on our next boondocking trip. And for those RVers that do have the storage space, they do have a mountable version as well, that you can just get it mounted and have it installed permanently in your RV. I'm going to use this simple cable lock to attach the water filtration system to the front jack just for extra security. Now, I know you guys have some other questions about what it does and what it doesn't do, so I'll put a link down below where you can take a look at more details. And actually, we have a 10% off discount code that we will put down in the description as well. And these simple little inline filters don't cut it. They do not take it down to 0.2 microns or filter out a lot of stuff. So you can't get by on just something like this. And it only takes a few minutes to set up. First, let's secure it. There we go, all locked up. And the filters come brand new, already installed, so you don't even have to install them the first time. But you do need to run water through them for 60 seconds. Let's get rid of this one. And we'll just take the easy connection right here and connect that to the hose. And you can actually leave that on there. There we go. We'll turn the water on here for 60 seconds. That's just going to wash any of the dust from manufacturing and anything like that for the very first time. You only do that the very first time you use it. And I'm going to take this optional short hose to go from the output on the filter to connect to the RV. These single stage filters that are often built into an RV, these don't cut it either. So I'm just going to take the filter out of here and the clean water will just flow through it. We'll just feed this up through the hose access. Just like that. Connect that to our right angle hose adapter. And now it's just super quick. Just like that. Time to turn the water on and we're good to go. But what does the water taste like? Let's find out. Here we go. Moment of truth. Oh man, that's good. Good flavor. And mentally, you know, it's clean water. Definitely thumbs up on the taste test. Cheers. Plus, when you're brushing your teeth, it's nice to know that the water is really clean and not even the smallest droplet will get you sick or bother your stomach in some way. It's nice to know that this is really clean, filtered water that I get to take a shower in. I know Cheri's going to be thrilled about that. Another thing that's very important to do with your RV water tanks and pipes is to sanitize them at least once a year, and more often if you are full-time like we are. Now actually we have a super simple RV hack that makes sanitizing your tanks and pipes really easy. That video is going to be coming out real soon, so make sure you hit the subscribe button so you catch that when that video comes out. So again, there's a 10% off discount code down in the description for whatever version would work best for your RV or situation. Thanks for watching, friends. Stay safe out there, drink only clean water, and remember to enjoy!